Hello all, welcome to our channel. We are so excited to have you all here. This is our very first video, and we can't wait to share our journey, mission, and what we are all about. If you have ever wondered how businesses connect globally or how import and export works behind the scenes, then you are in the right place. At the right time, let me first introduce our company, Metal Island. We are an import and export company, based out from Bangalore, India. Our company specializes in bridging the gap between businesses across the world, helping products and services reach their full potential in international markets. But this channel isn't just about what we do. It's all about inspiring and educating you. Let's start with a little about us. We are an export and import company focused on making global trade seamless. Whether it's sourcing quality products from international suppliers or helping local businesses reach overseas markets, we take pride in connecting people and ideas across the borders. Now, why do we start this channel? It's simple. We realize that the world of import and export can feel overwhelming, especially for small businesses and newcomers. There are so many questions. How do you find a reliable supplier and buyer? What's the best way to handle shipping and customs? How can you scale your business internationally without getting lost in this process? This channel is here to break all that down for you. We will share practical tips, trade secrets, and the lessons we have learned along the way to help you succeed in global trade. So, what can you expect from our channel? Here's a quick overview. 1. Educational content. We will cover the basics of import and export, like how to get started, navigate regulations, and manage logistics. 2. Business tips, strategies for scaling your operations and making the most of the global opportunities. 3. BTS, behind the scenes, a closer look at how we operate, from sourcing products to ensuring smooth deliveries. 4. Success stories, real-life examples of businesses we have helped to grow and thrive internationally. 5. Q&A and community engagement. We will try to answer most of your doubts, questions, and share insights based on what you want to know. Global trade is not just about moving products from one place to another. It is about connecting cultures, building relationships, and creating opportunities. Every shipment represents the hard work of businesses, entrepreneurs, and communities striving to make a difference. Through this channel, we hope to show how to trade drives innovation, empowers businesses, and brings the world closer together. Thank you so much for joining us on our very first video. This is just the beginning of an incredible journey, and we are thrilled to have you with us. If you are excited to learn more about import, export, and everything in between, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, so you never miss a video. We would also love to hear from you. Please drop a comment below and let us know what topics you are interested in, or share any questions you have about global trade. Together, let's explore the opportunities in international business, learn from each other, and grow stronger in the world of trade. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, happy businessing.